Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy, Mr. Greek 2002. In today's video, I'm gonna actually go ahead and show you guys spin shot on my DJI OSMO Mobile 3 gimbal. Without further ado, on to the video. So guys, let's go ahead and press the M button here. We go to video, swipe across to the right side, and last one, spin shot, okay? Press the M button to confirm, and let's go ahead now and do it. So you start at your targeted spin shot item. Could be a tree, could be a wall, could be a car window, whatever the case may be. In my backyard here, I have this fence. I don't really have any trees. So I'll go ahead and start off with this fence, okay? So we want the camera on the gimbal to be positioned a little bit more to the left side. Like that, okay? Hit the record button, okay? So now, while you start to move backward, you basically press the joystick to the right. So let's go ahead and do it. I'm starting from there. I press the record button already. It's recording, okay? And I'm moving backward and pressing. So guys, there you have it. That's how you do spin shot on your DJI OSMO Mobile 3 gimbal. Please guys, drop a huge like on this video and subscribe to my channel for more content. I'll see you guys in the next upload.